Hello everyone, I'm Charlie, the dollar trader. Whoa, 7%. So this video, I'm going to show you how am I going to trade crypto with just $1 or this way around. Okay, let's go. I got a signal from my strategy. Bitcoin price is about to go down, so I'm going to place a conditional short trade here. I'm using Bybit. With Bybit conditional trade, I need to work out how much of Bitcoin quantity is equal to $1. It's not like the market trade or a limit trade can show in dollar value. Oh well, I still can manage to work it out even though my maths is bad. 100 times leverage here, about 100 order value here. So, okay, confirm. Okay, let me speed it up and until my entry price is triggered and see what's going on. Let's go. I got a little bit of hiccup during the screen recording. The display of my MacBook got dim, so I have to change the setting. Learn something new every day as a YouTuber. Okay, my short trade just got triggered. Let's speed it up. Let's see what's happening with this trade. The trade is profitable now. Whoa, 27%. I'm feeling a bit greedy. I'm going to wait it out, see if I can gain more. So if this was your trade, and would you take the profit, or like me, going to wait it out, see if I would gain more? Yeah, please comment below. Right, let's see what's going on. Look at the shape of that candle wick. Is there a name for it? I call it wicked wick. Yeah, wicked wick. You always trigger my trade and then goes to the opposite direction. It looks like a walking stick or a upside down golf club. Oh, comment below if you know the name. I'm in the red now. I'm in the lost. But I want to test out my strategy. So we'll wait and see how the strategy works out. So let's speed it up again. While the trade is running in the background, let me answer. Why $1? For those of you starting out on trading crypto, like myself, it's best to trade $1 for each trade. The worst case scenario is to lose 100%, which is $1. But imagine you put in $100, $200, or even $1,000 for a trade. If the trade is losing, you're like losing 30%. If you trade it with $100, then that's like you're losing $30. Can you really think properly in your head? And you're thinking, oh, would it get worse? Or would it get better if I wait it out? And you're getting annoyed. You're getting mad at yourself, telling yourself, why am I so stupid? But if you're starting out with a $1 trade, you're losing 30%. That's only like you're losing 30 cents. So you can take a step back, think, analyze, like, should I cut my losses? Should I go back to the strategy, look at the chart, see if I got the signal right? Was it just a little pullback? Even if I lost, I can document the trade and learn something from it. Some of you already started out on trading crypto with leverage. You would ask, hey, if I trade with $1, I would not have much room to play with the leverage. I can easily get liquidated. So what you do is deposit $50 or more into your trading platform and converted it in USDT. For example, with Bybit, use cross mode when trade with 1 USDT. Then you would have much more room to play with. You can experiment how much leverage is suitable for you. But be aware, you always set your stop loss for each trade in cross mode. If you get liquidated in a trade, your entire wallet will get liquidated. So your entire fund in the derivatives wallet will be gone. The golden rules. Right, the golden rule is only trade 2% of your wallet for each trade. So you only trade 2% or less of your wallet for each trade. That's the golden rule. I really recommend those of you who started out trading crypto with leverage, try it with $1, with $50 or more in the deposit wallet. So for each trade, set the stop loss to 100%, so which is a $1. If you lost the entire trade, somehow you lost all $50 in your deposit wallet, then you would have 50 trades experience under your belt. Make a good habit to document each trade, why you lost, and also why you gain profit. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you feel after started trading with $1. Some of you may say, hey Charlie, the reason why I trade crypto with leverage is because I want to be rich. I want to be a millionaire. I want to double or triple my bank balance within 2 minutes. I want to be financially free. What's the point of trading with $1 if I get 20% profit? I only get 20 cents. If you cannot double your small wallet of $50, can you really get rich by trading? Are you trading with strategies? Where did you get it from? Did you get it from some books? Or some gurus from the internet? Have you tested the strategies? Is it suitable for your style? Or even you're trading with no strategy, just trading with instinct. So trading with instinct, what do you think your winning rate would be? Do you really think that you're going to be a millionaire, or you're going to have your bank account killed? I forgot to mention, I am not a financial advisor, definitely not a guru. I'm just like you guys, taking an interest in trading cryptocurrency and learning about crypto. The content of this video is for entertainment purpose only. So back to the trade. How are we doing with the trade? During the screen recording, my MacBook display got turned off, some sort of a screen saving mode. So I had to change some settings halfway through and refresh my browser. So some of you might notice, so learn something new every day. I'm closing the trade. It's about 80% profit, right? Not bad. Minus the trading fee, just about 70 cents. But the biggest win for me is now I've tested a strategy. Tested a strategy with $1, and I'm going to document it, learn something from it, and I'm going to test it more with $1. This is my first video posted on YouTube to talk about cryptocurrency trading. So I've got a lot to learn. It's a steep learning curve for me. Hey, if you like my video, please support me by clicking the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell. Also comment below if you have any question about trading crypto with $1 or how I can improve my YouTube video. Thank you and goodbye.